Welcome to Honeywell inspection. To continue, say ready.
Ready.
Password?
1, 2, 3.
Engine number?
Papa 5537, ready.
Take photos all around the engine.
Ready.
Logbook received with engine?
Yes.
Is there customer hardware?
Yes.
Speak a description of the customer hardware.
Generator harness.
Shipping container type?
Honeywell.
DMM serial number.
1613, ready.
External damage?
Yes.
Take pictures of the external damage.
Ready.
Is any hardware missing?
Yes.
Speak a description of the missing hardware.
Oil cooler.
TSO certificate available?
Yes.
Any incoming observations?
Yes.
Speak your additional observations.
Oil leak.
Unit condition?
Dirty.
Wiring harness condition?
Normal wear.
Inlet plenum condition?
Dirty.
Inlet screen condition?
Dirty.
Pneumatic ducting condition?
Damaged.
To inspect line replaceable units, say ready.
Ready.
Part?
214.
Bleed valve. Serial number?
483, ready.
Part?
238.
Surge valve. Serial number?
Unreadable part.
Part?
550.
Temperature control valve. Serial number?
78401, ready.
Part?
No more?
Is fuel control missing?
No.
You must inspect the fuel control. Serial number?
483, ready.
Line replaceable units complete. Section?
Turbine.
PS rotation?
Free.
Section complete. Section?
Borescope inspection.
Does the engine compressor impeller have normal operational wear?
Yes.
Is it eroded?
No.
Combustor conditions?
Localized TBC loss. Normal wear.
Atomizer conditions?
Light coking.
Inspect first T-wheel.
Ready.
Are the tips in normal condition?
Yes.
Are the tips eroded?
No.
Are the tips knit?
No.
Conditions of thermocouple probes?
Normal wear.
Probe loose on left?
No.
Probe loose on right?
No.
Section complete. Induction complete.